Cheonma-2 in 2026, North Korea's mobile shield against the skies. In a world where the sky has become the new frontline, North Korea's Cheonma-2 doesn't just watch, it waits to strike. As the global battlefield evolves with drones, stealth jets, and hypersonic threats, many nations turn to complex, billion-dollar air defense systems. But in 2026, North Korea has taken a different path, refining and upgrading its battle-proven Cheonma-2, also known as Cheonma-2, into a deadly mobile SAM platform built for resilience, speed, and silent lethality. Originally based on the Soviet 9K-35 Strela-10, the Cheonma-2 has now become a uniquely North Korean machine, rebuilt with modern sensors, smarter missile guidance, and deeper battlefield integration. Smart Radar System. Newly installed 3D ASA radar enables tracking of multiple aerial targets, including low-flying drones and terrain-hugging cruise missiles. AI-enhanced fire control. A new AI module assists the operator by automatically prioritizing threats, adjusting missile trajectories, and increasing hit probability even in jamming-heavy environments. Faster target lock. Enhanced electro-optical systems now allow near-instant lock-on even during movement, reducing launch delay by over 30%. Improved missile payload. Cheonma-2 now carries upgraded infrared-guided missiles with longer range, higher maneuverability, and improved warhead blast radius. Stealth camouflage and mobility. A modernized track chassis with adaptive suspension and radar-absorbent paint ensures the unit can stay hidden and move silently through forests, mountains, or urban ruins. The Cheonma-2 isn't built to dominate headlines, it's built to survive the first wave and strike back with deadly force. Its strength lies not in advanced complexity, but in practical lethality. In a war where skies are filled with loitering munitions, fast jets, and autonomous drones, the Cheonma-2 provides North Korea with a mobile umbrella of protection. One that can relocate, camouflage, and fire before it's found. The Cheonma-2 is not flashy. It doesn't roar. It doesn't intimidate with size. But it reminds the world, the deadliest defenses are the ones you never see coming. In 2026, as war gets smarter, North Korea's answer is not louder, but sharper, faster, and always watching. Cheonma-2 stands ready, not to chase the future but to ambush it.